Rikki, I want to have you listen, and the audience as well, to Derek Chauvin. He spoke ever so briefly. It was a dramatic and brief moment within the courtroom. He is still appealing his conviction, probably one of the reasons his comments were so brief, but he did, for the first time, address the Floyd family. Let's listen.
I do want to give my condolences to the Floyd family. There's going to be some other information in the future that would be of interest, and I hope things will give you some peace of mind. Thank you.
Rikki, I'm not trying to ask you the most difficult question here, which is, what is that about? But do you think that there's anything in the totality of the condolences, but also there's going to be more information that might give you some peace of mind? I'm just not sure how that would land with the Floyd family. It seems like a one and the other kind of thing.
Well, it's really, I think, a bizarre statement, and I think that's kind coming from me. I think it would have been fine if all he said was that he wanted to give his condolences to the Floyd family. We would have heard him say that. I don't think it would make any difference to the Floyd family, nor perhaps should it make any difference, but at least it would be some kind of contrition. But this little carrot and stick approach of saying, well, there's more to come, I just found that not only bizarre, it's almost in its own way sadistic. It's like a nasty tease. If I were his lawyer and had vetted what he was going to say, I would have never permitted him to utter that second or third sentence. It was, I guess, the phrase that we have shared amongst ourselves is that it's like gaslighting. It was not only not in good taste, it was about the last thing that the Floyd family and all of their grieving needed today.
Right. I don't think anyone in that courtroom expected Derek Chauvin to basically say, stay tuned. Rikki Klieman, thank you so much for your help.